Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious young boy named Timmy. One day, while exploring the forest, he stumbled upon an ancient-looking bottle half buried in the ground. Timmy picked up the bottle, feeling its cold, smooth surface. Intrigued, he decided to take it home. At dinner that night, he noticed the bottle glowing faintly under the table lamp. "What's that?" asked his mother, noticing the bottle. "I found it in the forest today," Timmy replied, his eyes sparkling with excitement. "It seems to be glowing," his father observed. Timmy, with a twinkle in his eyes, decided to keep the bottle close, wondering what secrets it held. The next morning, Timmy found that the bottle had vanished from its usual spot. He searched high and low, but it was nowhere to be found. Frustrated, he sat down on the floor, feeling a sense of loss. Suddenly, the bottle reappeared, right in front of him. It was then that he noticed a note tucked inside, "Use with an open heart and a curious mind." Timmy picked up the note, puzzled. He decided to make a wish, focusing on something he truly desired, knowledge. He closed his eyes, made his wish, and blew on the bottle. To his surprise, the bottle began to glow more brightly, and he felt a sudden surge of understanding. He could solve math problems he had been struggling with, understand complex scientific concepts, and even learn new languages effortlessly. From that day forward, Timmy's thirst for knowledge grew. He realized that the bottle was not just a magical artifact, but a symbol of the power of curiosity and an open heart. He understood that knowledge was not something to be hoarded, but shared with others to help them grow. And so, Timmy became a beacon of knowledge in his village, using the magic bottle to inspire others to learn and grow. He knew that the real magic was not in the bottle, but in the curiosity and open hearts of the people who used it.